Hello. In this tutorial, we're going to take a tour through the Content Management System control panel. So let's click on the maintenance area link. This is the control panel, and let's start off with site defaults. These are the default settings for the control panel and for your site. When you need to do maintenance, you can come here and set site live to no, and at that point anybody that came to your site would see the website is down for maintenance, please check back later. When you want to make it live, you set it to yes, and then click the update, and now everybody can see the site. The API IP information key, what that does, if you click this link and go and sign up and get an account, you get a key, and it gives you the geolocation of your users. Just kind of some interesting trivia, so you can see, what country, city, and state your users are coming from. Once you get the key, you paste it into this field, set the geolocator to yes, and then click update. Now, if you have an add-on application page that you'd like to use for your home page instead of the default home page, you can click this link. Just running a little slow, and the page opens up. You can click on a page. This is the link to the pages. Then click update. Now, when you go to the website, you'll see that the blog article is default home page. When you want to set that back to the default page, you just go here, click reset default. You don't have to click the update button because it automatically saves. Now we're back to the regular page. And I think that's it for your default settings. So now, once you've got your pages up and your site's running, you want to create your sitemap XML file for the search engines. All you would do is just click that button. It generates the file. That's what the file looks like if you download it. Just go back and you're done. Upload files to root. This gives you the option to upload one or three files to whatever folder directory you happen to be in at the time. See, if I click add-ons, now any files would be uploaded to the add-on folder. Pretty simple. Go to hosting libraries or host libraries. This is where you get all your additional themes, add-ons, and plugins. You'd come here if you want a new theme, click on it. You can see all of them on mine say installed. I have them all installed on my website. But all you would do if you wanted to install one is you just click the folder. It transfers it to your website. You're done. See the page refresh, then it would be in your themes drop down. Update miscellaneous content. In the content management system, on the right and left columns you have a miscellaneous content area which shows up underneath all your menus. Click here to go to left. You can put in whatever you want. Text, images, anything you want. If you want to do the HTML yourself, come down here, click HTML. Now you would type the HTML yourself. You could do, but if you just go to normal, it's just like typing in Microsoft Word or anything else like that. Once you do that, you just click the save button and it saves it. You can do right and left. That's it for that. Now we've got your payment history. Click this button. This just shows your payment history for your web hosting, so you can check to see when your last payments were made. If you have a payment due, right here in this area, there will be a link for you to click on to go to the payment window. Hosting support. If you have a problem with the website, click on that And here you can see you can create a ticket, view the tickets you've already submitted. But if you have a problem, you just click Create Ticket, select the department, categories. You see it's already got your website, enter your name, phone number, email address, subject, and the comments, and just submit that. Then the support team will get your ticket and they will take care of it. When they post back something, you will get an email letting you know that there's been activity on that ticket. If you want to just check out the FAQs, you can go here. These will be FAQs, frequently asked questions. Video tutorials, you see this one, you'll have video tutorials in here. This one will be there. And that's about it for the hosting support. Now when you want to change your theme, all you do is select it here. We'll go to California. It gives you the theme properties. Select the color you want. Set the properties. Go to website. Now you see now we're running California theme. To set it back, just go back. Arlington, same process. I like red. And we're done. Site stats. This just shows you some site stats for the website, page views, unique visitors today. You can do all pages, top 10 pages, what have you. Site refers lets you know where people that come to your website have come from, if they've come from GoDaddy, Google, Yahoo, whatever. Clean stats history. After a few years, if you want to get rid of some of your old history, you just come in here and you see it says remove records prior to and for the selected year. So if you had been here from 2011, you just type in the year, click clean. Now it's removed all the stats information prior to and up to the year 2011. Then we've got your header text. Let's go to the website so you know this is your header text here. So if you want to change that, you come here, change the text, click save, and it'll change on the website automatically. Site logo. This is where you would come to change your logo. You just click browse. You'd go to your computer, find the logo, click open. It'll show up here. Click update, and the new logo will be uploaded to your site and shown on your home page, all your pages. Menu maintenance. You've got your top menu. You can have left and right menus and a footer menu. So when you want to add an item to your menu, you just come in here. You enter the title to get the link to the page. If it's a page from your site, you double click on the link field and then find the page you want to link. Click the link, it puts in the ID for that page. If it's just one link, you would set the parent to yes. If it's a sub menu, like if you go down here, you see I have sample menu. If it's a sub menu, you would put in a pound sign, and that would be the parent. The primary menu would be the parent. Then the sub menu would be the ID. You'd say is parent no, and you would say sample menu would be the parent menu. The link will actually not show until you set publish to yes. And then over here you can tell how you want the link to open. Parent window, new window, browser navigation, or new window without browser navigation would just be like a pop-up window. And then you click new to add it, and you have your new menu. Now here, these green arrows, they're to sort your menus. So if you want to move menu, now about would be first. If we go to the website, you'll see now about, home. You can go back, menu items, top menu, move it down. Now home's back to where it was. You can change the titles, link, what have you, and then just click the update button. If you want to remove one, just click remove. But if there's a menu you put in here and you're not using it right now, but you might use it later, just go in and set it to published equals no, and then it won't show up anymore. And we'll just take a look at the main menus. These are the ones for right and left. You got your links, same thing. They're always parents. They don't have the sub menus on them. Basically the same. You set it up the same way, and that's how you get your sidebar menus and your footer menu. User maintenance, that's just your user information. You can go in and change your password, username, what have you. Now, new pages. When you want to add a page, click new page. You enter in the title or the alias, which should just be a short name. That's what you'll see in the page menus when you go to edit them. The title, description, keywords, these are all meta tags. The style you want, layout 1 or layout 2. And then enter the page title. And if you have show title equals yes, this page title will show at the top of that page. And then you just come down here and you put in your information. This is a test. You can type it. If you want to give it a little header, select the header you want. And then say to add an image, you just click here, find your image. If you want to upload one, you just click upload, and that will come from your computer. You can upload one from your computer, and once it's uploaded, then you can just click insert. It'll show up there, click insert, and that's how you add an image. So if we wanted to center it, that's it, and then you click the save button, and that page would be, now you would find that page down here in your site pages. Now, additional page content. What that is if you want to have some additional page content on a page other than the primary content, you come here. You can say you want it to show on all pages or select the page that you want it to show on. So if we wanted to put some additional content on the About page, give it a short name, test, title, test, sort order, 1. This is some test content. And the good thing about additional page content is you can archive it. So it'll be there for the user to see, but it'll just, anything that's archived, there will be an archive button on the page that you have it submitted to. So if we save this, now we go to the website, About Us, scroll down there. This is some test content. Now, if we go back, you'll see it's down here, and we want to archive it. Just click Archive. Now when you go to the page, About Us, you see it's there, but only when you unarchive it. When you unhide it, I mean. They can hide it. That way, if you got a lot of content and some of it's old, some of it's new, you keep updating the page, this is the best way to do that so that you can archive old data. They can still get to it. And then if you want to remove it, delete it completely, just click delete. Now it's continue. Now it's gone. Your add-ons. This is where you activate all your add-ons after you've gone to the hosting library and installed them, copied them to your computer. You come in here. Anyone that has to have some default database tables, default data, this button will say Run Setup or Create Tables. You click that, it creates the tables as the default data for you, and then it'll just say Setup Complete. And you can also have meta tags for the pages on there. So you can come in here for the search engine, so when they search that page, they find meta tags. Title, description, keywords. You just update it, save it, and that takes care of your add-ons. Now you can activate them, deactivate them. Yes means they're activated. No means they're not. If you deactivate them, they don't show up. Any menu items or whatever it is does not show up on the website. Like if we go back here, I'll show you. You got your I got the ad banners running. If I go to add-ons, add banners, deactivate, now the ad banners are gone. I mean, it's real quick, real simple. Go back to add banners, activate them, and there they are. And that's the same way with the plugins. Plugins work the same way. Active. Basically, these plugins are just holiday overlays. So when Christmas comes around, you want to be a little Christmassy, just activate it, say yes. You go to your website, and now you see you've got a holiday border. They all go, you've got Christmas, Hanukkah, Thanksgiving, update. And that's your plugins. We'll deactivate that, wait for Thanksgiving. Below you see the add-on maintenance. Whenever you install an add-on, if it has a maintenance area, the link to that maintenance area will show up here. See if I go to I just installed calendar a while ago. Or this, wait a minute, sorry. So you come in here and you do whatever maintenance you need. Your questions, default config. And that's about it. I mean, you can see, you can go to each folder if you want to put something in it. Click the folders. You can download the files, delete the files, whatever, if you want to clean up your folder. So that's basically it for the content management control panel. If there's anything you would like to see, if you can send me an email or submit a ticket, and I will gladly create a video tutorial for that.